Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your TOZO Crystal Pods. And before starting I want to show you that I customized some gesture. So I change triple press for the play next track. Also press and hold I change it to volume. Actually I need volume down. Yeah, and with the right one the same, press and hold. Then I add for the triple press to play next song, and for the double press for the right one I add to call a series. Now let's check it. So you can play and pause the song by pressing one time. You can pressing one time on your left or right earbud. So I just press on it and I just pause the song. I press again and I play a song. To increase the volume, you should press and hold on your right earbud. So press and hold. And as you can see, I increase the volume. To lower it, just press and hold on your left earbud. And again, as you can see, it also works. To play next track, you should press 3 times on your right or left earbud. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And to play previous track, you should press 2 times on your left earbud. 1, 2. Here we go. Now, to call your voice assistant, I have iOS, so I call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. You should press 2 times on your right earbud. 1, 2. And as you can see, it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.